Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are in Fennimore, Wisconsin, where on January 14th, 2020, at 10:44 p.m., a Fennimore police officer observed a vehicle within city limits traveling northbound on Washington Street while operating left of the center of the road. While following the vehicle, the driver turned left onto 8th Street, whereupon the truck appeared to turn too sharply and cross into the eastbound lane. The officer activated his emergency lights to pull the truck over, exited his patrol vehicle, then approached the suspect as his investigation begins.
Hi there, officer. The reason I'm stopping you guys today is because you were crossing the center line. And then you also cut the corner here when you were turning onto 7th Street.
Oh, you know.
Yep, this is 7th Street.
Oh, all right.
Yep, so if it's your driver's license and your proof of insurance. Where are you guys coming from tonight?
Yeah, I just come to get gas, so I have to worry about it in the morning.
What's that?
Just getting gas, so we don't have to worry about it in the morning.
Oh, gotcha.
I know there's something there.
What's that?
Well, this is her boyfriend's truck.
Oh, gotcha, so you don't have the insurance or anything?
No.
Okay.
It is, he does have insurance on it. He just paid it, actually. I know, but he said it's expired. But it's not. Otherwise, I'm going to have to have him send me a picture of it. I don't know. I don't know any of this stuff.
Where are you guys heading to tonight?
Oh, we went to come get cigarettes and gas.
Heading home? Bagley?
Oh, no, sorry, that address is wrong. It's Mount Hope.
Oh, Mount Hope.
Send me a picture.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Bye.
Okay, I just noticed that you're shaking.
It's cold.
It's cold?
You guys look like you have nothing to do tonight. Hey, I do have to say, I'm from Madison. You guys are a lot nicer than Madison. They don't play down there. They definitely don't play down there.
I'm guessing they probably deal with a little bit harder people than we have to, though, too.
Yeah. I grew up on Allied. I don't know if you've ever heard what Allied.
Allied Drive?
Yeah.
Yep.
I grew up on Allied, so.
Oh, yeah. That's a rough neighborhood.
Yep.
They just had a shooting up there, too, didn't they?
Yep.
I was gonna say, well, Allied usually has a shooting every week, so.
Sad. It's really sad. That's all they do. Sad.
On this truck, have a temperature thing?
What?
Appearances has a temperature thing.
70 degrees, looks like.
I was just wondering,
Come on,
thinking
I
about
don't
buying
have
a
this.
truck, so I want to know where stuff is.
Sure.
You don't have service.
I do. He's got to find it through his phone. He's got Progressive. Let me see.
Can you call Progressive and type his card stuff
I
in?
need this.
They actually need something in like that right there. What she's got, what she's holding. It
Right.
looks something like that.
Right.
Is he sending it?
Yep, he just sent it out. I just got it.
Oh, perfect.
You need it. You need it. Told ya.
Hang tight for me, guys. I'll be right back with you.
Once back in the patrol vehicle, the officers discussed what they had observed.
And she's so pissed we pulled her over.
I saw a fresh needle mark on her arm.
Did you?
Yep.
The driver or passenger?
Driver.
After confirming the suspect's identity, the officer reapproached the suspect as his investigation proceeds.
Can I have you step out of the vehicle? I just want to talk to you real quick. Can I have you put your cigarette out for me too?
Yeah, I don't know if there's an ashtray in here, but yeah.
Perfect, thank you. We're just gonna step back here. If you want to step back here for me. All right, Heather, you're probably wondering why I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle.
Yeah, I didn't.
What's that?
I didn't realize I crossed the center line.
Sure.
But
Okay. Well, there's a few things that we're looking for, impaired driving and stuff like that. Okay. And the reason I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle, when I was talking to you, I noticed that you had a fresh needle mark on your arm.
I don't have any marks.
It's going to be on your other one. Right there. Right on your vein. Okay.
Well,
So when's the last time you used?
I don't. I'm seriously,
no,
that's
hey.
not from a needle.
Let's just start over, okay? When's the last time you used?
I haven't used anything.
So you don't
And
use
that's
narcotics,
not a
drugs,
shot. No.
nothing like that.
Cigarettes?
So why is the
It's
the
not
vein
a shot.
raised?
I don't know.
Okay, because that's pretty
That one's
indicative
like that
of
too,
drug
see?
usage.
That one's the same. There's
Okay.
nothing there. I don't.
Okay. So I guess my question
like
once again
needles, so-
is why is it
I don't
raised?
know. I didn't even
and
notice that
needle
until you
mark?
pointed it out.
Sure.
I don't know.
Okay, so you haven't been using drugs, narcotics, anything like that tonight? No. Okay. Do you mind if I check to make sure you haven't?
Check what?
Field sobriety test. Some field sobriety tests.
Sure.
Okay. I'm just gonna have you hang tight right here for me. We're just gonna stay right over here for me, okay?
Sorry, your lights on your truck is bright.
Sure. I just don't want you getting hit, getting too far in. Okay. Good. Couple steps to your right, just so you're out of the snow. Okay. Perfect.
That's left.
Or my right.
I know. See, I'm not
Sure.
drunk or something or anything.
I never said you were drunk.
Well, I know. But I know I left. Right?
Sure. Okay. I'm gonna have you take the hood off for me, just while I'm doing this test.
All
Okay.
right, my ears are just cold.
Sure. This first test is called the HEN test, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to follow. Tip my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to move your head at all. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, follow my finger, okay?
Okay. Okay, the next test is called the walk and turn test, and this test has a starting position, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to place your left foot on a straight imaginary line. From there, I want you to place your right foot heel to toe in front of your left foot. Go ahead and do that. Remain in that position. Don't start the test yet. Okay, sorry.
Yep, remain in that position with your arms down at your side until I tell to start the test, okay? You understand? Okay, you're in this position right now. Go ahead and watch my feet. What I want you heel to toe steps down that straight imaginary line. It'll look something like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. This representing your 9th step. Leave this foot planted. Take small choppy steps until you're facing back in the other direction. From there, I want you to take another 9 heel to toe steps down that line. It'll look something like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Okay, while you're performing the test, I want you to watch your feet, count out loud what number of steps you're on, keep your arms down your side, and don't stop the test until you've completed it. Do you need help getting back into the starting position? Do you understand the test as I've explained it to you?
Yep, 9 steps, turn around, go back.
Whenever you're ready, go ahead and begin. Steps, front, turn. Okay, the next test is called the one-leg stand test, okay? Once again, just keep your feet together, arms down your side for me. When I tell you to begin, what I want you to do is I want you to raise the foot of your choice approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay? It'll look something like this. From there, I want you to point your toe out and begin counting 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, until I tell you to stop counting. If at any point in time you set your foot down, just go ahead and pick it back up and continue counting from when you last left off. Okay? Once again, while you're performing the test, watch the tip of your foot, count out loud for me, and keep your arms down at your side. Okay? Hang on 1 second for me, okay? Do you understand the test?
Yep.
Okay.
Put out, count.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and begin.
1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000,
Swing.
12 1,000, 13 1,000, 14 1,000, 15 1,000, 16 1,000, 17 1,000, 18 1,000, 19 1,000, 20 1,000, 21 1,000, 22 1,000, 23 1,000, 24 1,000, 25 1,000, 26 1,000, 27 1,000, 8 1,000, 29 1,000, 30 1,000,
Go ahead and stop. Okay. Next test is called the lack convergence test. Okay. What I want you to do is kind of like the first one, okay? I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? When I begin, I'm going to do a series of small circles around your face, and at one point in time, I'm going to come in towards the bridge of your nose, okay? At no point in time am I going to touch your face, though, okay? Do you understand? So once again, I just need you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going to start now.
Where are you guys at? Ellie, this is probably your clothes and probably be about the same either way.
Okay, the next test is called the Romberg test, okay? When I tell you to begin, what I want you to do is I want you to close your eyes, tilt your head back, and begin estimating the passing of 30 seconds. Okay, at no point in time do I want you to count out loud. I don't want you to tap your foot. I don't want you to tap your leg, anything like that, okay? I just want you to estimate the passing of 30 seconds. Okay, do you understand the test? Okay, so whenever you're ready, go ahead and begin. Okay, go ahead and stop. Once again, I'm going to do it again a second time, have you do it a second time. Okay, when I tell you to begin, I just want you to close your eyes, begin estimating the passing of 30 seconds. Okay, no tapping your leg, nothing like that. Okay, when you've completed, I just want you to open your eyes and say done. Okay?
Can I put my hood up and cover my ears?
Yeah, go right ahead. Do you understand the test?
Yep.
Okay, whenever you're ready. Okay, everything that I'm seeing is pointing to some kind of drug usage. Okay, so I'm going to ask again, when's the last time you used?
I haven't used nothing.
Okay.
Cigarettes. I don't even drink.
Okay, so you don't use drugs, narcotics, anything like that?
No.
Okay, at this time I am going to be placing you under arrest for operating while intoxicated. Turn around, place your hand behind your back for me. Just double locking them so they don't get tighter on you, okay? Do you have anything in your pockets that I need to know about? Any needles? Anything, any weapons, knives, anything like that?
I think I have keys and some papers.
Some keys and papers?
But as far as I was told, you're not supposed to really search me, but it's not like I'm hiding anything.
Well, the reason I'm searching you is because there's no female officers on. And I can't just take you into the jail without searching you.
Well, I didn't know any of that anyways. I don't get in trouble, but...
Sure.
I got papers and that one. Maybe my keys.
Do you want me to give those to your passenger?
I can keep them if that's
Oh,
okay.
yeah, that's fine. I didn't know if they were a house key or...
Battery in this pocket.
What's that?
Phone battery in this pocket.
If you want to go ahead and grab it out. Okay. I'm just going to put all this stuff up in your front pocket, okay?
Okay. So they don't fall out.
What's that?
As long as they don't fall out. but
I'll
that's
snap the
fine.
button. How's that sound?
Sure.
Okay. We're going to walk right this way. Go ahead and watch your step.
Do I have to have these on in here too, or
What's that?
do I have to have these on in here too and sit?
The handcuffs?
Yeah.
Correct. Yep.
Okay.
Following the arrest, the search of the suspect's vehicle ultimately yielded nothing of evidentiary value. The suspect was then transported to the Grant Regional Health Center and subsequently agreed to providing an evidentiary chemical test of her blood.
Heather, will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of your blood? I can't hear you. What?
However, I gotta do this to get out of here. Yeah.
I need a yes or a no.
Yes, I guess.
The blood sample yielded a result of 280 nanograms per milliliter of methamphetamine and 54 nanograms per milliliter of amphetamine. In Wisconsin, any detectable amount of methamphetamine in a person's blood is prohibited when operating a motor vehicle. The defendant, Heather, was eventually charged with operating while intoxicated, or OWI, and operating with restricted controlled substance. On October 5, 2020, 8 months and 21 days after the arrest, the defendant pled no contest to operating with a restricted controlled substance, and the OWI charge was dismissed. Heather was ordered to pay $937.50 for the bond amount and $19 for the blood draw expense, for a total of $956.50. This amount has been paid in full. Heather was further sentenced to no time in jail, a license revocation for 6 months, and was ordered to participate in an alcohol assessment.